Welcome to the Xiaomi Black Shark 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first you should find the Tools application, and here you'll find the screen recorder application. Just click here once to activate this app, and to launch the settings, click here on the settings icon. Just here, then you'll see the sound search section. Tap here once. Now we have selected here the system sounds, so you'll use in your screen recording the medias on your device, the videos, the just ringtones. Also we can switch it to the microphone, for example, if you want to comment something, or you can also just record the mood video. So that's it. Also we can activate the screen recording just settings by the second way. Just first you should launch notification panel, and here somewhere you should find screen recorded icon. If you have now this icon here, you should click on this edit icon, and you'll see the screen recording icon here in this down section. Just click here to plus to add this icon, tap to done. And now, just to launch the screen recording settings, hold for a while this icon and you'll launch the same screen recording settings, and you can also here switch the sound settings in your screen recordings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.